Wimpy Kid fans. Today we're reacting to, there's a new thing for seatbelt safety ad council for, basically, I know it's not anything to do with Diary of the Wimpy Kid, but still it's Diary of the Wimpy Kid, so and by the way, safety instructions, just follow the instructions. They're also telling you safety, so listen closely, please. Please just listen closely. Okay. So, let's start this.
Open road, here comes the Heffley family. Open road, here comes the Heffley family.
Whether it's a short trip or a long haul.
Estimated time, 47 hours.
They will beg.
You're hungry? I'm happy to provide.
They will plead.
Deep fried butter on a stick.
But whatever you do, don't wimp out.
Now you're talking.
Make them buckle up.
They can't hurt.
Remember, safety first.
Yep.
Cheese curls second.
And guys, that's why you don't have cheese curls in the bathtub. You want that bathtub.
Remember, safety first.
And this is why you don't have cheese curls next to a hot tub. And this is why you don't put them in a hot tub. And this is what happens.
Cheese curls second.
That's what happens if you put cheese in the bathtub. So you get, Cheetos. Don't put a whole bag in the bathtub or else the water turn orange. And you'll look like that. Okay. Yeah, listen to the ad council. Okay. Okay, guys, that was actually a pretty nice video. So, I commented nice, so like their video. Maybe give themselves a subscribe. And give me a subscribe, too. Okay, guys, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!